Your mother would probably prefer you celebrate her every day of the year, but in 2020 you'll be showering her with love and appreciation on May 10th. Show your mom how much you care by impressing her with some fun facts about the history and first celebration of Mother's Day, like these. 1. Mother's Day isn't always on the same date each year. The holiday is celebrated every year on the second Sunday of May. This year it will be on May 10th. 2. More calls are made on Mother's Day than any other day of the year. Approximately 122 million calls are made on the second Sunday of May. 3. Mother's Day is the third highest selling holiday for flowers and plants. After Christmas and Hanukkah, more people buy flowers and plants for their moms on Mother's Day than any other holiday. Around approximately 1/4 of all the flowers purchased throughout the year are bought for Mother's Day. 4. One of the earliest Mother's Day celebrations was in ancient Greece. The Greek would have spring celebrations in honor of Rhea, the goddess of fertility, motherhood, and generation. 5. Mother's Day is the busiest day of the year for restaurants. According to the National Restaurant Association, in 2018 about 87 million adults made plans to go to a restaurant for Mother's Day. 6. As of 2014, there were 43.5 million moms in the States. These women are between the ages of 15 and 50, and have collectively mothered 95.8 million children. 7. The moniker, mom, comes from babies. The first thing a baby can vocalize is the ma sound, which is why in almost every language the word for mother begins with the letter M or as some iteration of the ma sound. 8. The history of American Mother's Day starts with peacemaker Ann Jarvis. During and following the Civil War, Ann Jarvis made a concerted effort to foster friendship and community between the mothers on both sides of the war. She started a committee in 1868 which established the first glimmer of today's holiday, Mother's Friendship Day. 9. In 2018, over $23 billion was spent on Mother's Day. On average, shoppers spend $180 on gifts for their mothers. A nationwide total of $4.6 billion was spent on jewelry and $4.4 billion on dinners or brunches. 10. The most popular gift for Mother's Day is the greeting card. Every Mother's Day there are approximately 152 million Mother's Day cards sent. 11. Carnations have a special meaning on Mother's Day. Anna Reeves Jarvis used the carnation on Mother's Day to symbolize whether your mother was living. A red carnation meant she was, and a white meant she had passed. 12. Mother's Day is celebrated all over the world. Albeit on different days. But in addition to the US, Great Britain, Canada, Costa Rica, Samoa, Georgia, Australia, and Thailand all have designated celebrations to honor their country's mothers. 13. 36% of Americans plan to buy their mom jewelry. However, flowers still remain the most popular gift option, with about 69% of Americans opting for a floral present. Why not get mom both? 14. Most United States women have their first child in their 20s. In 2017, the average age for a first-time mother in the United States was 26.8. 15. Moms aren't the only ones getting Mother's Day love. The average American buys 2.8 Mother's Day cards, so most people are buying more than just one for their mom. Many people opt to buy Mother's Day cards for grandmothers, sisters, and their mother-in-law.